Okay, let's take a quick look at how to set up student access to Infinite Campus. So we are in ClassLink. We're going to click on Infinite Campus and we're going to log in as a student. Now we need to have a student username and a password, and according to this here, student registration is available through the parent portal. So we're going to go log in as a parent, and we're going to go through the user account and select online registration and begin registering our student. Alright, so we're logged in as a parent here, and we are going to go down to More, and Online Registration looks like where we find that. Now it looks like mine's already been done for my son John, so right here you would hit Begin Registration and choose either English or Spanish, and then you would be able to click Begin here and work your way through the process of registering your student. So once you go through the registration process, your student's username is going to be their student ID number, and then the password is going to be whatever password you set up when you created the account. And so once your student logs in, they have access to all their classes on this first page, and you can also go to the Grades tab and get details for all the grades and all the assignments just by clicking on those and opening up the daily grades.